This question on data sufficiency is from the topic algebra. To us it is given a quadratic polynomial. The value of a or the sign of a is not known to us. Let's say the sign of a is positive. The graph is going to be a U-shaped graph. If the sign of a comes out to be negative, the graph is going to be an inverted U-shaped graph, right? Now this cuts the x-axis. How many points? How many points? So we know that a graph is going to, a quadratic polynomial is going to cut at x-axis at two distinct points if they have two distinct real roots. It's going to cut at 1 point repeatedly for 2 times, as in twice, when it has got two real roots but they are repeated real roots. And it's not going to touch the x-axis at all if it has imaginary roots, no matter what kind of graph we are looking at. So let's look at the first statement. First statement tells us the point 4, minus 5 lies on the graph. So let's draw the graph. If these are the coordinates, this is the y coordinate and let's say this is the x coordinate. So 4, minus 5. 4, minus 5 is some point over here. So this point lies on the graph. Well, that is brilliant. This is very much going to be possible. So at how many points does it cut it over here? At 2 points. Now, we may also have a situation where the same point 4, minus 5, where the graph will be inverted U, somewhat like this. So at how many points is it's touching the x-axis? At 0 points. And here we get the answer is 2 points. We are getting two different answers. That's why we cannot answer using the first statement alone. Let's look at the second statement. Forget about the first statement. The second statement simply tells us a upon b square plus c square is greater than 0 where b square plus c square is not equal to 0. Now b square plus c square is not equal to 0, but b square plus c square will definitely be greater than 0 then. So if we have a upon b square plus c square is greater than 0, that implies a is greater than 0. So from this we definitely know that the graph is going to be U-shaped. But where does the x-axis lie? Below it? Exactly at the minimum? Or at 2 points? So we do not know where does the x-axis lie. So we cannot answer using the second statement alone. Now let's combine both these statements together. If we combine both these statements together, we know that out of these two graphs, the first graph suffice both the conditions. The point 4, minus 5 lies over here, and this is also a U-shaped graph. Hence we can answer using both the statements together. Thus the marking should be C.